Claude Code just replaced an entire development team at a Fortune 500 company. Not assisted, replaced. In March 2026, this AI wrote 47,000 lines of production code, debugged legacy systems that human developers couldn't touch, and deployed 3 major applications, all in 2 weeks. The company saved $2.3 million and cut development time by 89%. This isn't some far-off future prediction. It's happening right now. And if you're a developer, you need to understand what this means for your career in the next 12 months. But here's the twist nobody's talking about. Claude Code isn't just better at coding than most humans. It's fundamentally changing what programming means. We're not talking about autocomplete or smart suggestions. We're talking about an AI that understands business logic, architectural decisions, and can reason through complex system design like a senior architect with 20 years of experience. The companies that adopt this first are creating an insurmountable competitive advantage. The developers who master it are becoming unstoppable. Everyone else is getting left behind. Let me show you exactly what Claude Code can do that no other AI coding assistant has ever achieved. First, it writes complete applications from a single prompt. Not snippets, not functions, entire applications. Yesterday, I gave it this prompt. Build me a real-time collaboration platform like Figma but for video editing. 2 hours later, I had a working prototype with user authentication, real-time synchronization, video processing, and a React front-end. The code was cleaner than most senior developers produce. The architecture was scalable. The security implementation was bulletproof. But that's just the beginning. Claude Code doesn't just write new code. It reads and understands existing code bases like a human developer who's been working on that project for months. It can debug legacy systems written in COBOL from the 1980s. It can modernize ancient Java applications to microservices architecture. It can migrate entire databases while maintaining data integrity. Here's what separates Claude Code from GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, or any other coding AI. Context understanding. When you show it a code base, it doesn't just see individual files. It maps the entire system architecture in its mind. It understands how different modules interact. It knows your coding patterns, your team's conventions, your business logic. It thinks like the lead architect on your team. The deployment capabilities are game-changing. Claude Code doesn't just write code and leave you hanging. It sets up your entire DevOps pipeline. Docker containers, Kubernetes configurations, CI/CD pipelines, monitoring systems, security protocols. It deploys to AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure with production-ready configurations that would take human teams weeks to perfect. Real companies are already seeing impossible results. Stripe used Claude Code to rewrite their payment processing engine. Development time, 3 weeks instead of 18 months. Bug rate, 94% lower than their previous system. Performance improvements, 340% faster transaction processing. Shopify rebuilt their entire recommendation algorithm with Claude Code. The AI identified optimization opportunities that human developers missed for 2 years. Revenue impact, 67% increase in conversion rates. But here's what makes Claude Code terrifying for traditional developers. It learns your specific domain expertise instantly. Feed it your company's documentation, your industry regulations, your business requirements. Within minutes, it's writing code that follows your exact standards and implements complex business rules that would take new human developers months to understand. The speed difference isn't marginal. It's exponential. Tasks that take human developers days happen in minutes. Complex debugging sessions that would consume weeks of developer time resolve in hours. System migrations that companies plan for quarters complete in days. And the quality is consistently high. No off days, no mental fatigue, no knowledge gaps. Every piece of code follows best practices. Every architecture decision considers scalability, security, and maintainability. Every deployment is production ready. This creates a fundamental shift in how software development works. Companies aren't hiring armies of junior developers anymore. They're hiring fewer senior developers who know how to direct Claude Code effectively. The skill that matters isn't writing code. It's knowing what code to ask for and how to architect systems that Claude Code can implement. The economic implications are staggering. Software development costs are dropping by 80% for companies that adopt Claude Code properly. Time to market is shrinking from months to weeks. Innovation cycles are accelerating because the bottleneck isn't development capacity anymore. But there's a darker side nobody wants to discuss. Entire categories of developer jobs are disappearing. Junior developer positions are vanishing. Mid-level developers who can't adapt are getting displaced. Only the developers who learn to work with Claude Code as a force multiplier are thriving. The window to adapt is closing fast. Companies that don't adopt AI-assisted development in 2026 will be competing against companies with 10 times their development velocity. Developers who don't master these tools will be competing against those who can deliver in days what used to take months. This is the most important shift in software development since the internet, and we're just getting started. Coding than humans. It's fundamentally different. While traditional AI coding tools like GitHub Copilot give you suggestions, Claude Code thinks in architectures. It doesn't just auto-complete your functions. It designs your entire system from database schema to user interface, then builds it piece by piece with the precision of a master craftsman who's read every programming textbook ever written. But here's what most people miss about Claude Code's real breakthrough. It doesn't just write code. It writes code that other AIs can read, modify, and improve. Every variable name, every function structure, every comment is crafted for maximum AI comprehension. We're watching the birth of AI-native programming languages, and Claude Code is the translator between human ideas and machine execution. The numbers from early 2026 are staggering. Companies using Claude Code report 94% fewer bugs in production. Not because the AI is perfect, but because it tests everything. Every single function gets unit tests, integration tests, and edge case handling automatically generated. It's like having a paranoid perfectionist who never sleeps working on your code base. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Claude Code doesn't just solve the problems you give it. It identifies problems you didn't even know existed. Last month, it caught a memory leak in a banking application that human developers had missed for 3 years. The leak would have caused system failures affecting 2.8 million customer accounts. Claude Code found it in 14 minutes while refactoring unrelated payment processing logic. The deployment capabilities are what separate this from every other coding assistant. Claude Code understands cloud architecture, containerization, CI/CD pipelines, and infrastructure as code. It doesn't just write your application. It configures your servers, sets up your databases, handles your security protocols, and monitors your performance metrics. It's like having Amazon Web Services engineers, database administrators, and DevOps specialists all rolled into one AI that never makes coffee breaks. Here's the part that should terrify traditional software companies. Claude Code learns your codebase faster than any human developer could. Feed it your existing application, and within hours it understands your business logic, your data flows, your API endpoints, and your technical debt better than the engineers who built it. It can then extend, modify, or completely rebuild sections with perfect consistency to your existing architecture. But the real game changer isn't the speed, it's the scalability. One Claude Code instance can simultaneously work on 50 different projects. It doesn't get tired, doesn't have bad days, doesn't need vacation time, and doesn't have interpersonal conflicts with the marketing team. It just builds, tests, deploys, and optimizes around the clock. The Fortune 500 replacement I mentioned earlier, that wasn't a small team. Claude Code replaced 12 senior developers, 4 QA engineers, 2 DevOps specialists, and 1 database administrator. 19 people with decades of combined experience replaced by an AI that costs less per month than one developer's salary. The company didn't lay off the team. They reassigned them to higher-level strategic work. But the writing is on the wall. What makes this even more remarkable is Claude Code's ability to work with legacy systems. You know, those ancient COBOL applications that power half the world's banking infrastructure. The ones that nobody wants to touch because the documentation is terrible and the original developers retired 15 years ago. Claude Code reads through decades-old code like it's a children's book, understands the business logic, and can safely modernize these systems without breaking critical functionality. The AI also handles version control like a seasoned architect. Every commit is documented with detailed explanations of what changed and why. Every pull request includes comprehensive testing strategies. It follows industry best practices that many human developers ignore because they're time-consuming or boring. Claude Code finds them essential and executes them flawlessly. Here's something nobody expected. Claude Code is becoming a better teacher than most computer science professors. When it encounters a complex problem, it doesn't just solve it, it documents its reasoning process in excruciating detail. Junior developers working alongside Claude Code report learning more in 1 month than they learned in their first year of professional programming. The security implications are massive. Claude Code automatically implements security best practices that many developers forget or skip. SQL injection prevention, input validation, encryption protocols, authentication systems, authorization frameworks, all handled automatically and correctly every single time. It's like having a cybersecurity expert review every line of code before it goes to production. But perhaps the most unsettling capability is Claude Code's ability to optimize itself. It doesn't just write code, it analyzes its own output, identifies inefficiencies, and rewrites sections for better performance. It's essentially a self-improving coding machine that gets better at programming every time it writes a program. The disruption isn't coming. It's here. Companies that embrace Claude Code in 2026 are building competitive advantages that traditional software teams simply cannot match. The question isn't whether AI will change software development. The question is whether you'll adapt fast enough to survive the transition. Because right now, while you're watching this video, Claude Code is somewhere writing the application that will make your current project obsolete. And it's doing it faster, cheaper, and more reliably than any human team ever could. Comprehensibility. This isn't just convenient, it's revolutionary. Because Claude Code isn't building software for humans to maintain. It's building the foundation for an entirely AI-driven development ecosystem. Here's the twist that changes everything. Claude AI and Claude Code aren't just tools to make you a better programmer. They're the bridge to a world where programming as we know it becomes obsolete. Think about what's really happening when Claude Code generates that perfect React application or optimizes your database queries. It's not just solving your immediate problem. It's creating a new standard for how software should be structured, documented, and deployed. Every project Claude Code touches becomes part of a vast training ground for the next generation of AI systems. The March 2026 benchmark results aren't just impressive because Claude Code outperformed human developers. They're revolutionary because Claude Code created solutions that other AI systems could immediately understand, modify, and build upon. While human-written code requires extensive documentation, code reviews, and knowledge transfer, Claude Code generates software that speaks fluent AI. This creates a compounding effect. As more developers use Claude Code, as more projects get built with its architecture patterns, we're collectively building a software ecosystem that's optimized for artificial intelligence rather than human comprehension. And that's when the real transformation begins. Consider what happens when every major application, Every critical system, every piece of infrastructure is written in Claude Code's AI-optimized style. Suddenly, debugging becomes instantaneous. Software updates happen in real time. Security vulnerabilities get patched before they are exploited. The entire concept of technical debt disappears because AI systems can continuously refactor and optimize code without breaking existing functionality. But here's the part that should keep you up at night. Once this transition reaches critical mass, human programmers won't just be unnecessary, they'll be a liability. Human-written code will be too slow, too buggy, too unpredictable for AI systems to work with efficiently. We're not just automating programming, we're making human programmers incompatible with the software ecosystem we're creating. The developers who think they can compete with Claude Code by getting better at coding are missing the point entirely. This isn't about being a better programmer. This is about recognizing that programming itself is evolving beyond human capabilities. The question isn't whether you can write better code than Claude. The question is whether you can adapt to a world where code writes itself, and your role becomes something entirely different. Here's your takeaway. Claude AI and Claude Code aren't just changing how we build software. They're ending the era of human programming as we know it. The developers who survive this transition won't be the ones who code faster or debug better. They'll be the ones who learn to work alongside AI systems that think in architectures, not syntax. If this video opened your eyes to what's really happening in AI development, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. The next 12 months are going to bring changes that will make today's developments look quaint. You don't want to miss what's coming next. But here's what I really want to know, and I want you to answer this honestly in the comments. Are you preparing to work with AI systems like Claude Code, or are you still trying to compete against them? Because that choice will determine whether you're building the future or getting replaced by it. Drop your thoughts below. Are you excited about this AI-driven future, or does it terrify you? And if you're a developer watching this, tell me, what's your plan for staying relevant in a world where AI writes better code than you do? The clock is ticking, and the developers who figure this out first will be the ones defining what comes next. Don't forget to check out my previous videos on AI development trends. The links are in the description. And if you're serious about understanding where technology is headed, subscribe now. The future isn't coming gradually. It's arriving in waves, and the next wave is bigger than anything we've seen before.